What's up YouTube, it's Kay and I'm back in the video. You guys, today, is it a spot? There we go. Today I'm about to be crimping my hair for y'all. This ain't part of the vlog, this is my leave out. I know y'all. Okay y'all, so this is the Beauty Forever straight Brazilian hair in its natural state. I just washed it and blow dried it, so this is what it looks like. Kind of got a little wave to it. It's so soft though. See that? Okay, but yeah, I bought these crimpers yesterday. First of all, look at them. This is a mini crimper. These are $20 at Sally's. I wanted it like a tight, but I'm like, the other ones I was gonna get, they just looked so big. I'm like, I don't want my crimps that big. Like I wanted them like tight, you know. So I don't know, we gonna see how these boys work. The girl at the store was acting like she didn't know the details about them, so I'm like, it's not like people like them, like, but this is the plug-in, what's what you said? Plug-in GD, can I see that? So yeah, got this at Sally's. It was like $18.99, but 20 with tax. So let me go ahead. On the box it said they go, oh, so it's just like an on and off thing. So turn them on the box it said they get as hot as 430 because it ain't like you can adjust the temperature. So yeah, I'm just get ready. Let those heat up. I just took those out the box like a couple seconds ago. About to separate this because it's probably gonna take me a minute to crimp this because these crimpers are so little. But it's just the look I'm going for, you know? So what I do is I split my hair in half. And then, shall do. Split my hair in half. And I'm going to split it in half again. Actually, I'm going to tuck this in here. Look at it go. I don't think it's going to go. I don't think it's going to stay. Is it going to stay? And then take your half and break it in half. Honestly, y'all, smaller sections is just easier when you're trying to curl, crimp, even when you're trying to straighten. I mean, unless you're in a rush, then you probably could do big pieces, but let's just put these all up here. Okay, but these nails is getting everywhere. Ooh, they get up quick. Yeah. Okay, so I think they're ready because they're hot. Yeah, I'm hoping these boys give me what I'm looking for because period. So I'm gonna just take the smallest section right here. Okay. I'm only holding it on there for a few seconds. I don't know how hot these boys are for real, so I'm just testing it out right now. I don't know, I might need to hold it on there for longer. Ooh, they hot though. Y'all can't see it yet, hold on. It's too dark, my hair is too dark. Bye now. I was gonna straighten this hair before I crimped it so it could be light, you know. But honestly, the hair from blow drying it is pretty straight, so I ain't even need to do that. Cause I thought it was gonna be like super poofy, but it wasn't. So check that link down below, Beauty Forever Hair. Go get you some. Cute. Can y'all see it? Y'all can't see it. But yeah, I'm just holding it like, how long am I holding it? Let me time it. Maybe like 8-9 seconds. I have to see it now. Ain't that cute, y'all? Period. Okay, so this is one. I just crimped it all the way down. Yes, let me show my mom. Alright, so y'all see this one. If y'all can see it. Yeah. My dumb self. Don't brush it out, because I'm over here brushing it out. Like, it ain't about to get poofed up if I do that. So I'm gonna just show y'all. Where'd it go? I'm gonna just show y'all another piece. And I'm probably gonna speed up the video, because really, I used to think it was hard to crimp your hair, but really you just hold it. If you got a crimper, it's easy, but I tried to do it with a flat iron, y'all. No, not today. So I started at the top. Yeah, this boy hot, cause it's hot on my, like, the back of this thing, hot on my thumb. I can see that. And then I just, like, if I had it right here, I kind of just take it and start it from the last little hump, so to keep the pattern, you know? If that makes sense. You can see how it's 1, 2, 3. So when I'm done, I'm gonna put the first one where the third one was. If that makes sense. Yeah, this should provide a glove with this thing. This thing's hot. Bless you. I think you're so. Y'all. Can y'all see? Yes. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to just go ahead and probably speed it up at this point. So let's see this one and that one. So cute. So yeah, smaller pieces would probably be better for better results. But you know, I ain't gonna hold y'all. Sometimes I just get a little my patience be gone. So yeah, I got up early today so I could take the time to do this. Cause this is only one section out of 4. So yeah. Alright, so if y'all can see, I'm leaving like a little piece of a thin layer to go with my leave out when I crimp it, so I can crimp it together so it'll blend. That's my bottle warmer, his bottle warmer, if y'all was wondering. But yeah, just wanted to tell y'all that. Alright y'all, so this is the finished product. So yeah, like I said, if y'all wanted it straighter, like flatter, you probably should flatten your hair before you do it. But I like mine like this. So now this took me almost 2 hours, okay. But yeah, if you guys like this hair, this crimper, hold on, do y'all see my fingers? Y'all can't even tell on camera. But them boys look burnt. They red and they hurt. So these little things they got on here, I'm gonna need y'all to get something a little more supportive because this stuff's not comfortable and it's still hot. So yeah, you know, it's the final look. So if y'all like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good great stuff, and I'll see you in my next one.
Don't record.
No.
No.
Don't want to be on the camera. Me neither.
Yeah, you look cute.
Not good.
You know what I'm saying?
No. I lost my voice. Okay.